Let's play. I don't know. Create ragdoll player. Forgot what his name. Okay. We're gonna fight Skuna and Godo. Who will win? Okay, so bro did not even get to the in the main expansion. What the freak? They're invincible. Where's the Gojo? We only have a purple. Damn. Bro, they cannot die, bro? What the freak? Hmm. Guess they will not die, so let's spawn a Titan. Will the Titan? Will the Titan? Bro, the freak? Not too weak, bro. How about Gojo? Gojo. And tears in my son. Yay, to our team. How about, I don't know, what is this? A robot? Okay, what the fuck? Sorry for cursing. This zombie. Damn. The fuck? Oh, forgot to, but I forgot to. Okay, we're at. Well, I'm Filipino, so yep, I'm Filipino. I'm done. Let's play. So they're still alive. Only one thing can kill this Skibidi toilet. Damn, bro, this guy is still alive. But the zombie, nope, dead, dead. Ching ching ching. So the robot revived this. That's. Oh no, what Titan? Titan? Which Titan? Which Titan do? How this? Just again. Bro, how this toilet still alive? Bro, speaker man. Speaker man. Bro, why speaker man so small? Let's delete him. Bro died. Bro died instantly. Napapano may pouch. Wait, may bomba clan. Bomba clan.
Hoy! Tibak!
Die. Bro, I don't know how they still alive.
Ano?
Wala.
Ha?
Nothing. Nothing.
Hoy, si walay ligo oh. Hoy!
Naligo ako.
Kapatid mong panghi.
Laging maasim.
Laging maaslong.
Good.
Laging maaslom ang kilikiloy. Yeah.
What? Wala ka dyan. Oh, yan natanggal.
Ano? Hila? Ha?
What the freak?
Alis na po kami bukas.
Saan kayo punta?
Hit up ng mother miss.
Okay.
Iwan na po kayo.
Okay. Bro, girl, die. Die. Ching, ching.
Uy!
Frick. Who has a score? No.
Sabi, punuin mo na yung cellphone mo, mamaya mo na gamitin. Babalik na lang ako pagka ano, tapos magpapaano na lang ako. Magmumotor na lang ako para balik dito.
Anong motor? Saan pupunta si mama?
Uwi na! Uwi na ako na. Pansi ko to ah. Hindi ah. Mas malaki, di ba? Mas malaki yun sa'yo dyan. Pa man lang lumuwang na ngayon lagi sa maraming susunod.
Kaya lang ba yung gabi na
Yeah.
tahol ng tahol yung aso? Mga alas 11 yata yun.
Uwi ka, ma?
Pag uwi natin, baka matagal kasi yung resort.
Okay.
Babalik na lang ako. Kasi may pasok na ako.
That was disturbing. Hey, how about again? The got.
Alas 8 tayo.
Boom. Then, oi, cars. A helicopter, bro. What the fuck? Sorry for cursing, but the freak is this? Bro, what the freak? What helicopter is this? Okay, now we spawn a giant. Okay. Ding. About this. Brum. Nah, you die. Give me my gun. Bro, it's armored. Nah. one is this? Just pretend that died. Now you turn. You get the sword. You get deleted. Bro's moonwalking. Bro doesn't want to be clipped. I'm stupid. My alien. What alien?
Yeah, I shoot people when they block my way, honestly. Because I can't play this game at all.
Bro, do na move, bro. Goodbye. Goodbye. Die. Bye bye. Have a good day.